This is the highway. Let me go ahead and get this while I can because it's going to eventually be gone too one day. But it was probably the most beautiful highway in the United States, on the East Coast anyway. You see the yellow stripes here. And there was the lagoon over here, which is still there. And then there's remains of some of the maritime barrier island forests that was here on Hunting Island. That's what that was, the dead trees, all was washed out. Was started with Matthew. It probably started before then, but this was I used to drive this highway a lot, just so. Power line right there. See, I don't know. But it was just chipped up out there on the beachfront. But this is remaining, but one day that ought to be gone too, I'm sure. How they're destroying everything. Everywhere they can. Poison the food, the water, the air. Anything and everything. Somehow. It's being done. I made like literally a dozen videos today. And here's some of it that didn't get cleaned up. Some of the latest stuff that didn't get cleaned up from a few years back. Some of them other storms that come through here, I don't know. There's so many. I mean, of course Hugo way back then. Hadn't saw very many ospreys today. Hardly saw none actually. You're one of a bird. Right down there somewhere. Oh man. This would be a rough environment to survive in if you was on your own. You gotta have fresh water, of course. Then you gotta find a food source. And then of course, survival from the elements. There being heat, cold, hurricanes, whatever, wind always. It's a rough place to survive.